Today we are going to deal with John Milton's Paradise Lost, especially Book 9 of Paradise Lost. John Milton's Paradise Lost is an epic book, and this contained 10 books in original. Later, 2 books were added to the lot, and in 1667 the epic became a 12-booked one. Milton started writing with the intention of writing an epic. He has invoked the heavenly muse at the beginning in book 1, and of the 12 books that Milton has written, the central event or the fall of man is happening in book 9. There are certain critics who and other writers have commented on Milton. Dryden has ranked Milton along with Homer and Virgil. Then William Blake has written a poem entitled The Marriage of Heaven and Hell. Wordsworth has written London 1802. In William Blake's Marriage of Heaven and Hell, he accuses Milton of being of devil's party rather than of the gods or angel side. Then there is another work by a critic, Stanley Fish. He has written Surprised by Sin, the Reader in Paradise Lost. Coming to the poem, Paradise Lost, book 9, not less but more heroic, is what Milton says about the action that happens in this epic. And in this epic, you see Adam and Eve, and Eve proposed that they go on to work on the fields separately, and she wants to show that she is also as capable as Adam. But meanwhile, Satan in the form of snake approaches Eve, and Satan extols Eve of her beauty, and Eve, blinded by the praise by Satan, was very overwhelmed by Satan and his praise. What happens is Eve was very surprised to find a snake talking, and she wants to know how Satan was capable of talking like that. And Satan replies that he has eat a fruit from the tree of knowledge, which was actually forbidden for Adam and Eve by God. After hearing this, Eve was so in awe, and she wants to know whether she too will get this capability of having a human speech, intellect, understanding and all. So she decides to eat the fruit, and she becomes she feels naked, and she gives the same fruit to Adam, and out of love Adam too eats this fruit, and both of them end up in nakedness, and they start covering their body, and they start accusing each other for eating the fruit from tree of knowledge. Then there is a Raphael who comes to Adam and Eve, and they are accused of their actions. Later, Satan returns to Garden of Eden after Raphael's departure, and both of them start doing their labor, and they uh, are doing a crime in the sense that they have uh, there is something that happens uh, before the arrival of Satan near Adam and Eve. Satan was banished by the angel Gabriel from heaven, and he later regretted that heaven was a wonderful place. Uh, and he was so um, jealous of Adam and Eve for living in a wonderful place set by God, the Garden of Eden. So he wants to tamper that or destroy that, and that's how he um, comes near Adam and Eve. He took his revenge and made Adam and Eve feel guilty. That's all. Thank you.